writer for these magnificent songs was Yogesh Gaur, who breathed his last on 29th May 2020. One of the most talented and brilliant Hindi film song lyricists who produced gem of songs for films like Anand, Baaton Baaton Mein, Choti Si Baat, Rajnigandha and several others. Yogesh Gaur, often known as just Yogesh, was part of the golden era of Hindustani film music when his contemporaries were Javed Akhtar, Anand Bakshi, Gulzar, Sahir Ludhianvi, Shailendra and a few others. All of them did exceptional work, but the limelight could only be on few, and that's why perhaps Yogesh lost out on popular imagination. Even when his songs fetched national awards to the singers, his name would miss out even on nominations. Therefore, it should not come as a surprise that an average Hindi film music listener perhaps does not remember his name. But for those who understand the craft of Hindi film music and his colleagues within Hindi film fraternity, Yogesh's name was taken as gold standard. When he left for the heavenly abode, one of the first persons to pay tributes to him was none other than the great Lata Mangeshkar. For Yogesh, songwriting was nothing but a job for which he got paid. He performed his role as a professional with a sense of detachment. The usual ingredient in the field of creative work is that one should be absolutely passionate about it and engrossed in it. Yogesh was different. He was never trapped in a burning desire to be famous. As a matter of fact, he once gave up songwriting altogether and returned to Lucknow, his hometown, because he was bored of songwriting. It took a telegram from the legendary Lata Mangeshkar, who called him back to Mumbai. His famous song Kahin Door Jab Din Dhal Jaye was not originally written for the film Anand. The song undertook a journey before ending up with Hrishikesh Mukherjee, maker of the film Anand. Yogesh had written the song for a film Basu Bhattacharya was making. He got busy with making a documentary for the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, and the film got shelved. Yogesh's songs were purchased by another filmmaker, L.P. Lakshman, from the music composer. Hrishikesh Mukherjee happened to hear those songs and asked L.P. Lakshman to give him 2 songs for his next movie Anand. L.P. Lakshman refused to give 2 songs but agreed to give 1 song to Hrishikesh Mukherjee. He asked him to pick one of the songs he liked. Hrishikesh Mukherjee picked Kahin Door Jab Din Dhal Jaye for the film Anand. Yogesh was doing a film called Agni Pariksha with the filmmaker B.R. Chopra. During one of the music sessions, B.R. Chopra asked Yogesh a question. When did Lata Mangeshkar record a song in Pakistan? Yogesh stated that as per his knowledge, Lata Mangeshkar had never travelled to Pakistan to sing a song. B.R. Chopra pointed the song Jaiye Humse Khafa Ho Jaye appeared to be recorded in Pakistan. Yogesh smiled and told B.R. Chopra that this song was written by him and was recorded in India. On the cover of music CD, tapes or record, the protocol followed is that the name of lyrics writer appears next to the name of music director, say R.D. Burman's name followed by Majrooh Sultanpuri. Strangely, this protocol was never followed for Yogesh. His name would either appear on the back cover or at some obscure place on the cover. Why it happened, no one has an answer, and perhaps that sums up the story of Yogesh. If you like the video, you know what to do. Thank you for watching.